How artificial intelligence is transforming CPA affiliate marketing. Introduction. Artificial intelligence AI is rapidly reshaping affiliate marketing, especially in CPA cost per action campaigns where advertisers pay for specific customer actions like sales or signups. Marketers are leveraging AI to analyze massive data sets, automate optimizations, and personalize content, all to maximize conversions and ROI. The AI in marketing sector is already worth tens of billions of dollars and projected to grow rapidly through the next decade. Affiliates who adopt AI tools now will be better equipped to stay competitive in the evolving performance marketing landscape. This report provides a comprehensive overview of how AI is transforming CPA affiliate marketing, covering tools, strategies, case studies, technical insights, challenges, and future trends. Role of AI in affiliate marketing and CPA campaigns. Affiliate marketing has always been data-driven, but the sheer scale of digital activity today makes manual optimization impractical. AI augments marketers by processing huge data sets and making smart real-time decisions that would be impossible for humans alone. In CPA campaigns, AI helps maximize the value of each action by data-driven decision-making, identifying the best performing offers, creatives, or placements, automation of routine tasks, handling bid adjustments, budget allocation, and A/B testing in real time. Personalization at scale, tailoring offers and content to each user's behavior, context, and preferences. Continuous optimization, running micro experiments and making adjustments instantly, enabling faster scaling. While AI doesn't replace human marketers, it enhances them. Humans still set creative direction and strategy, while AI removes guesswork and executes at machine speed. Artificial intelligence powered tools and platforms. AI is transforming every layer of CPA affiliate marketing. Some of the most impactful applications include traffic optimization and bid management. AI algorithms automatically adjust bids based on performance, time of day, or even external factors like weather. Platforms like Volume and Thrive Tracker use AI to route traffic to the best performing offers and landing pages automatically. Predictive analytics forecast which campaigns or offers are likely to trend, giving affiliates a head start before competitors notice. Networks such as ClickBooth use AI to test multiple offers and continuously direct traffic to the highest converting options. Impact campaigns learn and optimize 24/7, extracting more value from every ad dollar. Fraud detection and traffic quality control. AI-powered fraud detection identifies fake clicks, bots, and low-quality leads in real time. Machine learning systems flag anomalies like unusual IP clusters, mismatched geos, or suspicious CTR patterns. Networks and platforms use AI to assign risk scores, ensuring affiliates get paid for real conversions and advertisers protect their budgets. Impact. Fraud prevention preserves trust and ensures clean CPA payouts. Personalization and campaign targeting. AI enables microsegmentation and lookalike modeling, finding users like your best converters automatically. Dynamic creative optimization personalizes ad creatives in real time, serving different headlines, images, or CTAs to different segments. AI-driven recommendation engines suggest the most relevant products based on user history. Conversational AI, chatbots, acts like a virtual salesperson, guiding users to tailored solutions and boosting conversions. Impact. Bespoke. User experiences increase engagement and CPA performance. Content generation and SEO. AI writing assistants generate blog posts, ad copy, and product descriptions in seconds. NLP models update existing content with new data and optimize it for SEO based on trending keywords. AI can build comparison tables or structured reviews automatically, saving hours of research. Impact. Affiliates publish more content faster with better optimization, critical in competitive niches. Predictive analytics and attribution. AI forecasts which campaigns, products, or audiences will perform best, enabling proactive budget allocation. Predictive LTV modeling helps advertisers reward affiliates who deliver higher value customers. Creative scoring tools predict which ads are most likely to succeed before launch. AI attribution systems clarify which channels or touch points drive conversions, helping reallocate spend for maximum ROI. Impact. Affiliates make smarter forward-looking decisions, reducing CPA and scaling faster. Examples of AI-enhanced platforms. MGID uses AI to score ad creatives, predict performance, and auto-adjust bids. ClickBooth routes traffic in real time to the best offers, maximizing earnings per click. Thrive Tracker auto-optimizes campaign traffic distribution based on ROI goals. Partnerize predicts and recommends the best affiliate partners, automating recruitment and forecasting. Cometly provides AI-powered attribution and insights with natural language Q&A for quick campaign analysis. How AI is changing strategies. Affiliates, publishers use AI to personalize websites, showing tailored recommendations and layouts. Automate content creation, campaign management, and social posting. Compete with bigger teams by leveraging AI's speed and insights. Advertisers, merchants apply AI to vet affiliates, manage fraud, and set dynamic CPA payouts. Provide affiliates with AI-powered creatives like quizzes or chatbots to increase conversion. Use predictive analytics to forecast revenue and optimize program growth. Affiliate networks employ AI for real-time offer optimization, routing traffic across affiliates for maximum yield. Use fraud detection to guarantee cleaner traffic and compliance. Provide affiliates and advertisers with AI-powered dashboards that suggest profitable next steps. Case studies. Amazon uses AI to personalize product recommendations, increasing affiliate conversions. Sephora, an AI chatbot improves conversions by guiding customers to personalized product matches, benefiting affiliate referrals. Tribe Academy implemented Cometly's AI attribution tools, lowering CPA by reallocating spend based on real insights. PayPal. Honey AI couponing applies the best discount codes instantly, reducing cart abandonment and increasing affiliate commissions. Technical insights. AI in CPA marketing is powered by machine learning and related techniques. Pattern recognition identifies high converting traffic and offer combinations. Reinforcement learning continuously reallocates traffic based on live performance. Natural language processing powers chatbots, content tools, and SEO assistance. Computer vision scores and predicts ad creative performance. Anomaly detection flags fraud using supervised and unsupervised learning models. Challenges and risks. Data privacy requires GDPR, CCPA compliance, and clear user consent. Algorithmic bias. Risk of AI reinforcing unfair targeting unless monitored. Transparency. Black box AI decisions can erode trust without explainability. Over-reliance. Too much automation risks losing human insight and strategy. Integration hurdles. Implementation requires clean data, technical setup, and sometimes higher costs. Solution. Balance automation with human oversight. Ensure ethical practices and prioritize transparent AI vendors. Future outlook. Generative AI creatives, instant campaign concepts, ad variations, and visuals tailored to segments. Voice commerce. Affiliate offers integrated into smart assistants and voice queries. Autopilot campaigns, fully self-optimizing CPA campaigns, handling creatives, bids, and targeting end-to-end. AI affiliate agents, autonomous systems running micro campaigns, and sites with minimal human input. Ethics and regulation expect stronger guidelines on data use, transparency, and fairness. Bottom line, AI won't replace affiliates or advertisers, but those who embrace it early will dominate. The future belongs to marketers who combine human creativity and strategy with AI's relentless optimization.